Good morning, sir. Good morning, friends. Today we are going to present a conversation, and our conversation topic is Unity is Strength. When school is over.
Hi Nupur,
Hi,
thanks for waiting for me.
it's my pleasure. But what about our tomorrow's conversation?
I'm also going to ask same question to you. I also asked to the Prapti and Siddhi, but they didn't reply me.
What is the topic for the conversation?
Sir told us the subject.
But which?
Unity is strength.
What a subject? But only subject is good, not our group is good.
Why are you saying like that, Nupur?
Because there is no unity in our group.
That's true. No one has suggested us anything. We all time make conversation.
You are also right.
Let it be. First, we will ask everyone what is the suitable timing for them. Then we can decide that we met and conversation.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. See you in tuition.
Everyone make excuse to meet and make conversation. So Nupur and Saloni get furious, and in afternoon when they meet in tuition, they their conversation.
Hi.
Hi, Nupur. Nupur, is our conversation is going to be present tomorrow.
I don't think so.
I have some now note down the point and I will send you the pictures.
I also have some points. It will be useful while making the conversation.
And we will all five make conversation tomorrow before first lecture.
Okay, and there is no one will give excuses because we are going to make conversation in the classroom. So there is no issue of time.
Okay.
On the next day in the school.
Do you make conversation, Nupur and Saloni?
Of course, they will have make conversation already.
No, we didn't made it.
Why?
Yesterday no one have time. So we decided that we make conversation tomorrow before first lecture.
How can you become calm?
Why you feel calm? You even don't suggested us anything. Then we will ask why you feel calm.
Let it be. Don't quarrel. Unity is strength, and we all have to do teamwork. Without it, the conversation will not be successful.
That is true. So we decided that we make conversation today.
Let it be. Okay, our subject is unity is strength, and unity should be in our group. Without it, it is meaningless.
Yes, it is meaningless.
Sorry, we get excuses to you because I thought it is really waste of time. And I thought it is not important, and you both will make conversation. Right. So we didn't think about that. We are extremely sorry. Shall we start to make conversation?
Yes, of course.
I have noted down some points.
I also.
Then please show me. Okay, then I will start writing the conversation. Nupur and Saloni give points. Prapti and Siddhi make conversation. Shraddha write the dialogues.
Finally, we did it.
Thanks for realizing that. Thanks for realizing that we can when the unity is we can do everything when unity is there. And we will never give any excuse right from now. Yes, we will never make this conversation, and this is the best conversation ever because of the unities in our group.
We only want to realize to you all.
That is why we didn't make the conversation.
I really think that the line is unity is strength is really true. Thank you. Thank you.